आमचो जो CM आसा पर्रीकर बाबा चड जालें. यू ऑल हॅव मेड मॉकरी केल्ली आसा. काल पळय तें छत्तीसगड राजस्थानात आनी मध्य प्रदेशांत जालां. तुमकां ताजेरच कळपाक जाय तें वारें. आयज लोकांची तेमां खंय पावल्या ती. Your BJP took people for granted there in Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and see the वारें कसले वारें आयलां तें. आनी तेंच वारें आतां आमच्या गोंयांत येवपाचें आसा. कित्याक लोकांक पोट तिडकेन तिडक मारिल्लें आसा. आयज लोक उलयना. गोंयकार सुसेगाद आसत पूण गोंयकार शिटूक. They know to show you all your places. You all are playing. Today, administration has collapsed. Misgovernance is going on. There's no good governance in Goa. The CM is not bothered. The ministers, I don't know where they are. I think they are somewhere. We can't see the ministers. I don't know whether they are on holidays. And so are the MLAs. Administration सगळेच collapse जाल्लें आसा. लोक रडटा, जनता रडटा, गोंयच्यो बायलो रडटा. सरकाराक सांगता पूण सरकार is acting deaf and dumb. I think what has taken place in Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, the same verdict people of Goa will give to this BJP in coming days.